Which side hustle is the most likely to work for beginners? Well, I can tell you the answer to this because not long ago I was a beginner. I was actually working in the restaurant waiting tables when I first did that search, how do you make money online? And I came across a model that is super beginner friendly. And since then, I've seen other people duplicate this success. And the model that you want to start with is affiliate marketing. And this is because this allows you to get started without starting an entire business. You see, starting a business is complicated. There's a lot of issues and fulfillment and products and customer service and all that. But what you can do with affiliate marketing is actually let other companies handle that. You just do the marketing for it, one tiny aspect of running a business. You focus on the marketing, you bring them traffic, and then when people buy, it gets attributed to you and they'll pay you a commission. They handle everything else. If you want to learn more about this side hustle known as affiliate marketing, I actually have a 100% free course that I created for you that'll show you how I've done things like win cars and generate over $1 million with a single sales funnel thanks to affiliate marketing.